prototyping ahead of me, but first, let's talk about New York Maker Faire, because that's coming up. I'm going to be there, and a lot's going to be happening. So I'm Joel. This is 3D Printing Nerd.
Just found out that Joel, 3D Printing Nerd, is going to Maker Faire New York 2018, and turns out I'll be there in 2 weeks, so I want to work on something to give to him. And then give him a few models that I haven't released on Thingiverse yet. Alright, so here's the model I'm printing out for him. It's this spaceship model I made a while back, earlier in the year. I'm printing a giant one out for him. And I'm also going to give him the other spaceship models I've made that haven't been released to the public yet. Go check out my Thingiverse. You can find this model, but the others on the flash drive haven't been released. If I get, I'm gonna be one of those people and say if I get 100 likes, I'll release them as a set on Thingiverse. Also, on a side note, I just made some Velociraptor claws, and I like how it turned out. I can maybe paint them for a future video. I plan on painting them, but I don't know if I'm gonna record me painting them. I'm a Velociraptor. Alright, so the model just finished printing, so I gotta go remove all the supports and clean it up a bit. Okay, so I just finished removing most of the supports. I had one of my friends help me. Thank you. I'm not gonna say your name because that would kind of be illegal. But here's the print. However, there's a whole bunch of support all over it. The program I was using kind of fused the support to the print, and it made getting it off really difficult. So I'm probably just gonna give him the smaller one I made, because this one's a lot more cleaner. Like that, it'll kind of be easier to carry around. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It will help it reach more people and give me more motivation to create more content. As I said earlier in the video, if I get 100 likes, I'll release the other spaceship models I've made to the public on Thingiverse. And I will be attending Maker Faire this weekend. So, but when I'm recording this, it's this weekend, the 22nd to 23rd. I'll be there on the 22nd, so if you see me, just say hi. We can talk about 3D printing for a bit. So yeah, I hope to see you all there.